In the energy quadrant, taking a look at October natural gas, enjoying a 2-day winning streak right now, and a pretty impressive one at that. Natural gas is up 8.9% in the last 2 days, popping above that $5 mark both days. Today's high, 5.047, so 4.75 cents higher than that $5 mark. On the low, 4.820. On the upside, up 2.7%. On the downside, down 1.91%. And we finished the day up over 1.5% higher, just short of that $5 mark. Weather demand, as always, is the thing we're looking at. National demand will be low across the northern U.S., moderate to high across the western U.S. Why? Well, the West, the Plains, and Texas is going to stay hot with weather in the 80s to 100s, while the Midwest and Northeast are going to have early fall-like conditions with temperatures in the upper 60s to the 80s. Very pleasant, but also some rain. And then heavier rains and wind are headed to Florida and portions of the Southeast in the next couple of days, having a slight cooling effect. But much of the U.S. will warm above normal this weekend and into next week, with highs in the 70s to the 80s in the northern U.S., 80s to 90s across the southern U.S. All of this adding up to moderate to high demand next week, but currently low in the north, high in the south. Also, EIA inventories today reported a build of 52 billion cubic feet, larger than the national survey averages by more than double. About 25 billion was what was estimated, but smaller than the 5-year average of about 53 billion cubic feet. This increase applies to 2.93 trillion, and the deficit now stands at 235 billion cubic feet versus that 5-year average.